Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the exciting features of the Nintendo Switch OLED model with white Joy-Con. This upgraded console boasts a stunning 7-inch OLED screen that delivers vibrant colors and crisp contrast, making your gaming experience more immersive than ever. Whether you're playing solo or with friends, enjoy seamless local co-op, online, and local wireless multiplayer options that keep the fun going. With 64 GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of space for your favorite games, although some of it is reserved for system use. Experience enhanced audio in both handheld and tabletop modes, ensuring you don't miss a beat of the action. The wide adjustable stand provides stability and flexibility, allowing you to play comfortably in any setting. Get ready to elevate your gaming adventures with the Nintendo Switch OLED model, where innovation meets entertainment. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.